Hey, I'm Zach Dunn. I'm 29 and I'm from Windsor, Ontario. I'm a sound engineer for the Windsor Symphony Orchestra. Today, I made fettuccine alfredo. Let's see how that went. I'll be starting this dish by making the fettuccine from scratch. To do that, I have salt, pepper, 4 eggs, flour, and I'll be throwing in some fresh parsley. While the dough rests, let's cook some bacon. Now let's prepare our chicken. First, I'm going to trim the fat. To season my chicken, I'm going to be using salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, crushed rosemary, and some hot chili powder. Now that the dough has rested for 2 hours, it's time to divide it up and roll it out. Now that the pasta is rolled out, it needs to dry for 15 minutes. Let's check the chicken in the meantime. Our chicken is cooked. It just needs to rest for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to cover it with foil and then we can get back to it. Now we'll be making the sauce. I'm going to start by making a roux using the butter and flour. I'll be adding in the cream, the chicken broth, and then we'll melt in the 3 cheeses, which are Parmesan, Gouda, and Romano. To start the roux, I'm first going to fry up some shallots and garlic in the butter, and then we'll add the flour. Let's look. Now I'm going to cut my fettuccine noodles. Now that our pasta is cooking, let's cut up the chicken so we're ready to plate it. Growing up, I wasn't really exposed to a wide variety of flavors, so as an adult, I love experimenting with different herbs and spices and really baking in different levels of flavor into my cooking. In the pasta, I added parsley to add a fresh and earthy tone throughout the dish. In the sauce, I started with shallots and garlic, then added basil and parsley to bring out the flavors in the pasta. I seasoned the chicken with rosemary and just a hint of hot pepper to make the chicken stand out and not blend in amongst the rest.
No, it's like whatever.
All right,
Can you do?